Hey guys, welcome back to War on Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500, you have heated seats, they do not work and you're trying to find where the fuse is located. Stay with us, we'll cover that today. Make sure you stand till the end. We'll explain why it's super important to actually test the fuse, because if you guys do not test the fuse and you think it's good, you put it in and they still don't work, you may spend quite a bit of time and money to fix a problem where all we had to do is test the fuse. And if you want to see how to test the fuse in just a few seconds, I will put a link to a special video that will teach you how to do that in the description of the video below. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So what we have specifically here, we'll be demonstrating on a 2015 Fiat 500. This is specifically the Abarth, but if you have the non-Abarth it will work as well. We'll be working in the fuse box. Let me get something to show you with. Okay, the fuse box will be right here next to the car battery. That's the main fuse box. You have one more fuse box in the body control module that's located inside the car. And if you want to see where the second fuse box is located, we actually have the video where are the fuses located on Fiat 500. So we'll go ahead, pull the cover off, and good news guys, you have the fuse numbers printed on the back side of the cover. Check it out, which is really convenient. Bad news, they're chaotically listed, they're not in order, and you don't know what they're for. So the fuse guys that we need to check, okay, for heated seats, it will be a single fuse for heated seats, one single fuse. And if you look right here, it will be that F20 fuse. Okay, F20 will be the one for the heated seats. If you want to see where it's located, it will be the fourth fuse from bottom to top. Even if you're missing one, you count the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. That 15 amp fuse right here, that's the one for the heated seats. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.